Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat's device ban. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. But before we begin, it's important to note that there isn't like a guarantee way to remove a Snapchat's device ban. The correct solution will depend on the reason for the ban. So if your account was temporarily locked or restricted, you'll have to wait until the restriction expires, then try signing in again. You can also visit Snapchat's official account in block or unlock page to see if your account is eligible to be unlocked or not. If your account was permanently banned for violating some Snapchat's community guidelines or terms of service, you will need to contact Snapchat support and submit an appeal. So include as much information as possible before your account, or about, an example, your account and before it was banned, and explain why do you believe that the ban was made by mistake. Of course, if the ban is tied to your device rather than your account, signing in with a different account on the same phone usually won't solve the problem. So in that case, you will need to wait for Snapchat to lift the restriction or receive basically a response from their support team. Make sure to avoid also any websites or videos that claims that they can remove Snapchat's device ban using some supported Snapchat, or as example, normally they are not supported by Snapchat, but they claim that they are supported by Snapchat, and it may put as example your account or device at further risk to get hacked or something. And of course, as I said, you can do that through help.snapchat.com. Just go and access that. And of course, you would like to look how to submit a locked account appeal, and you'll find all kind of information specifically designed for you, so you can know where, as example, they'll show you where to click to submit your appeal. And as example, they'll show you even here, if my appeal wasn't successful, how can I pursue further or this further? And this is the only legal way and the only way that it will work if you didn't violate any terms of service. And yeah, that was it. If you find this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.